Okay, so this is a video for children or toddler 3 years and 6 months and older, but no one younger than that. And I'm speaking to the moms, so moms will help me to teach to their children. Okay, so this is my keyboard, and mom and the toddler or the child should just play on any keys or bang on any keys, and these are the white keys. So we should know that in the future, when I say white keys, this is what we have to do. And we should know that these are the black keys. So have the child play on the black keys. Okay, and then on your keyboard, I want you actually go get a pen and a piece of paper and come back. And maybe you should use a marker a color that your child likes. And we are going to do this. I do this in my classroom. We are gonna try to write the alphabet. So even for the 3-year-old, you could try to write it. Maybe the mother could dot it for them like this. If they recognize A, they should by now, yeah? And then they could try to trace this. So A. I'm doing this in real time, this is what I do in classroom. That's A. And the mother could, again, if the toddler doesn't write yet, you could dot it for her, and then she could trace it. And if the video is going too fast, feel free to pause. And this is C, right? So toddler will. Okay. And for the older children, just spell for me A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So in piano, in music, this is all we're going to use is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's try that again. I'm going to do another one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So for the older children, they could write 3 lines. So mom and the child should write 3 lines. For the toddlers, for the 3-year-old, 4-year-old, just write 1 line is fine. Okay, so this is the only letters that we are going to use in piano. It's what we use in the world, actually. So even though if you have a piano, you have 88 keys of this. It's just A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then repeat. So on my keyboard, actually, let's do this. Let's do, as a mom and child, do you see a group of 2 black keys? Okay, identify those. A group of 3 black keys. I have a group of 2 black keys here, right close to each other. And a big space here, right? And then a group of 3 black keys. So on your keyboard or piano, you will have many sets of this. 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, the one that we're gonna focus on is the group of 2 black keys. Because right next to it, to the left, immediate left, this is a special key. It's this one, C. It's this one, C. C is our most important note that we are going to use. Okay? So, I want mom and the child to learn to identify all the C's on your piano. So 2 black keys. I have 2 black keys here. This is C. I have 2 black keys here. This is C. So you should have 5 or 6, maybe 7 C's, okay? So do that now. Okay, very good. Then if you know this is C, if you know 2 black keys is here, and if you know this is C, then you know in alphabet this is A. B, C, D, E, F, G. Then after G, it repeats to A. B, C. You see 2 black keys here again? And this is C. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And keep going. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I ran out of keys. So if you could do that with your child now, slowly. If your child is 6 or 7, maybe you could do the whole keyboard or the entire piano. If your child is only 3 or 4, just do a little bit. Do maybe 2-3 sets. Okay, and then when you're ready, come back. Okay, so I'm trying to do this in real time. Okay, then I'm gonna show you a good hand on the piano, what it looks like. You're gonna make a fist, right? Child and mom, make a fist, open, make a fist, open, fist, open, fist. Okay, now we're gonna open halfway, almost like a dog's claw, and they're digging, in the dirt in the park. Okay, and if you flip it over, this you should be able to hang on to an orange or a younger child, a small egg, Okay, and on the side view, it should be like this. Okay, thumb is very short, so it's just gonna do what it does. But you see, this is curled. You see, all my fingers somewhat curled. Side view of my pinky. Do you see that? Sorry about the shadow because I'm not set up to do this. This is really in response to COVID-19, so we're doing this. Okay. So now we're going to play on the piano keys. Now each white keys has a finger on it. So in piano, we're going to call the thumb a finger, and actually it's finger number 1. And your pointing finger is finger number 2. So each white key has a finger on it, right? Don't play, just gently put it on there. So mom you should help your child to do that. Okay, so then make a fist, open halfway, and you're gonna put it on the piano like this. Just pick any white keys to do it. And the side view of this is, you see it's curled, and you see the fingertip? These fingertips touches the surface of the keys, except the thumb. The thumb is so short, so what will touch the key will be this part of your thumb. Pretty natural. Okay, I could do it here. You see every white keys has a finger, only 1, not 2. Okay, and there's no skipping keys. All right. Now typically we do put the thumb on that special white key of C. So remember 2 black keys, and this is C, right? So that's where the thumb is gonna go, C. And C and D's are always neighbors. If you live in an apartment building, C and D are, they're usually close to each other, yes? So this is C and this is D. But we don't care about that. But we just wanted to put our thumb by where the 2 black keys are, okay? So practice that. This is a lot for a 3-year-old, and sometimes I'll take a break here, and if you like, you could stop the video now.